Across Australia, vast canola fields stretch to the horizon beneath golden skies. Each year, these fields produce millions of tons of valuable canola seed. Harvest season begins as giant machines move steadily across the fields. Within hours, millions of canola seeds are harvested and collected. The harvest is transported to large processing facilities across Australia. Here, tiny seeds begin their journey toward becoming canola oil. Every delivery is inspected before entering the processing system. Millions of seeds pour into receiving pits and industrial conveyors. Cleaning systems remove dust and impurities before processing begins. Before extraction, the seeds are carefully heated and prepared. Powerful rollers flatten the seeds into thin, uniform flakes. Additional heating prepares the flakes for efficient oil extraction. Powerful expeller presses begin releasing oil trapped inside the seeds. Extreme pressure breaks the seed structure and separates the oil. For the first time, golden canola oil begins to emerge. Even after pressing, valuable oil remains within the solid material. The material enters a specialized solvent extraction system. Remaining oil is recovered with remarkable efficiency and precision. The oil and solvent mixture enters large recovery systems. Controlled heating separates the solvent from the extracted oil. The recovered solvent is recycled and returned for reuse. Crude canola oil still contains impurities requiring further refinement. Early refining removes gums and unwanted natural compounds. With each stage, the oil becomes cleaner and more stable. The oil still contains pigments affecting its appearance. Bleaching systems remove remaining color compounds from the oil. The transformation becomes visible as the oil grows clearer. Deodorization removes unwanted flavors and aromatic compounds. The result is a clean, neutral, and highly versatile oil. Finished oil is transferred into large storage facilities. Some shipments leave in bulk, while others are packaged. Quality is preserved before distribution to domestic and export markets. From Australia, canola products are shipped across global markets. Export terminals efficiently handle enormous volumes of agricultural products. These exports support food, feed, and renewable fuel industries worldwide. Today, Australian canola is used in products consumed worldwide. Beyond food, it also supports livestock feed and renewable fuels. Every harvest reflects the work of farmers, engineers, and operators. From a tiny seed, a vast industrial network comes to life. Its journey connects Australian farms with customers around the world. And it all begins in Australia's endless canola fields. The cycle continues with every new harvest season.